And probably no, we will try to do some flips. Okay, so okay, I will create a cylinder, make it 16, radius 8, probably 0.2. Okay, so let's select polygon primitives and create a prism. Yes, 6 will be good. Count. Let's scale and no, I don't like that. We cannot align all the edges. Oh, check this out. 18 is worked perfectly. Great, so we will proceed with 18. I know that I was in previous tutorials say that 18 is not so great because you cannot align a horizontal line and vertical, but in this case, as you can see, the shape will be working fine. So I will move with 18. Great. Duplicate that one. Down. Something like that. Okay. So basically, I'm trying to create a knot. Yeah. And yeah, cool. So I will select them both or all of them. And yeah, select them all. Freeze history, clean history, freeze transformation, and just do boolean. Awesome. Select everything and just merge vertices which are aligned. And for a faster things, I will select the side and delete it. Yeah, great. Select the line and extrude it and align with this line. Awesome. And select vertex points, merge it. Everything is looking great so far. Delete the top and yeah, we'll select this too and just bridge them. Yep, will be easier to fix later. Deselect these two guys and let's bridge it again. And as you can see right now, everything is working, everything awesome. So let's select these guys and extrude it again. Awesome. We have the shape. And what next? We need a cylinder. Let's go again to 16. Whoops. Okay. Oops. That will be great. Let's duplicate the sphere and I will move it somewhere here, for example. And I will delete the half of the sphere from here, or even, a little bit less probably than half, something like that. And for a bottom sphere, I will delete probably, select the one ring and with a shift and dot, you will increase the selection. Yeah, great. Delete it. Okay, so I will select both of them, merge them, select this, the bottom part line, and this top object line, and let's do bridge. Okay, add divisions, looking great. Okay, let's move our pivot into the center of this cylindrical shape. Yeah, whoops, I have to duplicate the object, just delete it. No big problem. Great. So yeah, 0 in this direction. Let's move this direction. Okay, and yeah, right now we can start do beveling. Need bevels in these locations. Yeah, and probably I will bevel that a little bit later. But in here I need smaller segments of chamfer, and in here it's a bit different situation. We'll add a bit bigger fraction and additional segment. Yep. So we'll get item something like this. Wonderful. Okay, so for this tutorial, probably this is it. Created additional this switch, or I don't know, GRP. Okay, it will be a switch. Okay, so great. See you the next time.